Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a website in Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console, and this is the website I want to add to my account. It's called benstestingdomain.com. First, click on this list, then go with Add Property. For easy ownership verification, go with URL prefix. Now, copy your domain name, paste it here and hit continue. Now to verify your ownership, you can either go with uploading an HTML file to your website. You can add an HTML tag to your site's homepage. If you already have your Google Analytics linked with your website, you can verify your Google Search Console using it. You can also use your Google Tag Manager account or use the DNS service. Let's go with uploading a file. It's the simplest one. Click on this button. This is my verification HTML file. Step 2 is to upload this HTML file to my website. This website is hosted on Hostinger, so simply I will log into my Hostinger dashboard. I will go to websites, locate my website here, Ben's testing domain, click on dashboard. What I'm looking for is the file manager inside Hostinger. This is a shortcut to my file manager app. Do not upload your HTML file here. Instead, go inside public HTML. And now let's upload this file. Click select file. Locate, this is my HTML file. Click on open. And my HTML file is uploaded successfully. Now go back to your Google Search Console and hit verify. As you can see, my ownership is verified successfully. If your first verification try failed, just retry your verification. Now click on go to property. And this is how to add a website in Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.